I share for me baba informant gangster YouTube channel so me so watch me obe like obe subscribe obe comment na share videos no na for so den enye bi ahwe na brain post video wenya bi ahwe na for so den enye bi ahwe na me church on some kito bi afa video a wo hwe me wi am the full video na to so mo so den onya ntiase na mo nim na nsen ya na Nigeria ni de share musician e fe no MOHBAD ewuye no owuye na chi nsem pi na yede abechire ebi so nwahye na ekunu ebi se ne ba no kra wo ne kranya ne ba na ebi so na mali na yede ekunu na video we me ne kra wo sansem ni na bro na sa video obo hu de okunu ne ba na ene dia na senya ne die na mali se mo ka so ne kunu ye ono ana senya ono prophecy e ba ya ansa nsem we na bisi no me ni na acho na so hu no kre wo mu na papa bi efe no kama president no nsem a ebesisi no hu no ka no saasem we okaye efa na ramaro si edi meda case bi ba beto no so na obe lose followers like just anima pi na beto so amafo be hate no na ahwekra na ne record label na eden ebegu na papa ika asem we no amafo anye den enfiro mo sensem hu no keka na afa na ne kre ne ba ye no ene ede amafo agiedi na mesramo MOHBAD wu no papa na samba bontin kama president no this prophecy ni by no wasaba bontin asande de oye responsible for MOHBAD death no de anansi ni wu no aba bontin na ehwan na MOHBAD ba na omo se enye ne ba no eno so mako edi ni test results no say aba out eno so no krese ne ba na se enye ne ba mesromo na ramalis ne kuna na say enye ne kuna mese nyemani na sa we ni na no ya ma pile sa video no kra wesem ni na mu resource enye ni na no ma pile ni na e ba be ya chiro mese so ohwe me obe like obe subscribe obe comment na share videos na fofo say enye be hwe channel ni the informant gangster mese mo ye ko hwe video no say den aba no kra wesem ni na ye ko hwe aba
good. I get one thing I want to tell one of my guys from Nigeria. Okay. One boy they call her Naramali. Million, that boy, now he's a singer. Okay. And you forget the song he sing. You don't know his song.
No, I don't know.
You don't know his song?
No. Oh, remind me.
Make I remind you song. Yes.
Oh, I bet.
Inside Life. Where to go?
Inside Life.
Inside Life. Now he sing down Naramali. Inside Life. Yeah.
Inside Life.
But that this boy, they don't tag on with murder case in the spiritual world. Huh? And that murder case will bring a lot of things on Naramali.
Physically.
Nara have to be very careful. The darkness from the mother's side will spoil plenty things on his way. Because there are so many things that guy will get on this earth. And he should come down and know the kind of friends you move with. Okay. Otherwise, they will put him in big trouble. Okay. That one will bring matter for land. We know they like him that way too. Okay. So Sam Larry, I'm telling him to come out and tell Nigerians the reason why Imole, the light of Lagos, is Medam. Now that guy's hands is full of blood. I just can't safe. So if Sam Larry not come out, can't tell Nigerians and the world the reason why he died MOHBAD, then we the Kama family, we know say he get another murder case for spiritual world. With that one, he will come out when Nigeria will see say, or go yes say, or go believe say, that guy, they follow Naramali. Now they give Naramali wicked mind. Now they put bad things for Naramali tabletop.
Just one person.
One person. What I tell you, I say.
The baby that Wunmi Aloba is calling MOHBAD's son is not MOHBAD's son. The baby belongs to Sam Larry. The baby was allegedly fathered by Sam Larry. And I told the police that this might be where you want to start your investigation. I spoke to 4 sources. They told me this is where it all started and this is why. I said, but we have a music industry issue here. We have a discrepancy between an artist who wants to come out of a contract and take his royalties as well. I said, that's just a sideshow. The problem started with the pregnancy. When we lived in the Malian house with MOHBAD, at least when they were there, she was known to have sex with possibly all the guys in the house. Nobody likes to say these things out. a very big businessman in Dubai. He's one of the big Dubai Bitcoin men. They call them Bitcoin Yahoo boys. He invited everybody to Dubai. They did the tickets. I called everybody from the travel agent to the person that picked them up to everybody I spoke to. It was tedious. They all agreed that they should do a paternity test. So they did a DNA test. Who brought out the DNA stuff? Who initially brought it out? Someone online that possibly noticed the resemblance between Sam Larry and the child. And they put it online, circled both heads, and they were trolling Sam Larry. When I saw that picture, I made my own picture and I circled him and the child. There was a resemblance. There are people who know things and they don't want to go to the police because they're scared. Well, everything was done. The baby, Wumi, Sam Larry, MOHBAD, Naira Marley, and Sanusi. Sanusi is the one that the very black dark man has been trying to find out who is this guy. DNA test, and the DNA test showed that Sam Larry owned the child. Sam Larry wanted his child from MOHBAD. The DNA test reportedly was positive, and Sam Larry was determined as the father of the little boy. I mean, look at the resemblance. That's his dad now. So now, MOHBAD was not releasing the baby to Sam Larry. This child was born in April this year. When the DNA came positive and it was determined that Sam Larry actually owned, you see how distraction causes problems in journalism? Looking on the baby looking like Sam Larry, and we kept on that joke, it should distract us from the real story. Then we have celebrities, Oba Solomon, Oba. He wants his son. Wumi already knows that, yeah, I slept with everybody. These people have casual sex. They don't use condom, they just do it, they pull out. But she didn't know. So when she got pregnant, she assumed, don't you see these cases? Don't you see these fair women cases? Have we not seen so many on the internet? People raising other people's children and they did DNA and found that they were not their children. We have seen it over and over. And it's real. Paternity fraud. Nigeria is number 3 now in the world. It's unlike what we normally see. Everybody go and bury their head in shame. Sam Larry wants the baby, and MOHBAD refuses to give Sam Larry the baby. Why? Possibly because Wumi is his wife, and it will be a disgrace if the world hears.